Welcome to the School of Fashion Technology. I'm Samyukta, a pre-final year student. Let's explore the exciting world of fashion at KCG Tech. Come on in. The state-of-the-art infrastructure at School of Fashion Technology helps us design, develop, and engineer beautiful and smart garments.
Hi, this is Subha, a pre-final year student. Come, let's have a look into what we do in these labs. We have our spacious illustration labs to grow your inner artist and to bring your creative vision to life. Our cutting-edge garment construction lab helps to transform static designs into dynamic garments.
Have you ever wondered what makes our garment durable? Well, we have top-of-the-line equipment in our testing lab to evaluate performance and quality in fiber, yarn, fabric, and garments. The Dynamic Pattern Engineering Lab is the heart of all the designing students. Whether creating a traditional or an avant-garde garments, the innovation begins here.
Thanks for taking a journey with us in the School of Fashion Technology. Okay, we are getting late to the class. Bye.